Have you ever wondered what sets confident, mature men apart in the dating world? Why do some men seem to naturally attract women and build deep, fulfilling relationships, while others struggle? It's not just about looks, wealth, or charm. It's about understanding women on a psychological level and embracing the timeless principles of Stoicism, whether you're looking to build a lasting connection or simply understand women better. These proven strategies will give you the edge you've been seeking. Stick around to learn how mastering your emotions, maintaining independence, and embracing Stoic wisdom can transform your dating life and relationships. Let's dive in. 1. Loyalty. A dynamic balance. Loyalty is more than steadfastness. It's about inspiring and fostering mutual dedication. Women often seek partners who are not only reliable, but also intriguing and capable of challenging them emotionally and intellectually. This dynamic creates a sense of excitement and deepens the connection, ensuring that loyalty is continuously nurtured rather than taken for granted. Older men often leverage their life experience, emotional stability, and Stoic approach to relationships to their advantage by maintaining a fulfilling life outside the relationship, pursuing personal goals, hobbies, and passions. They create a sense of individuality in depth. This balance between independence and connection keeps the relationship engaging and prevents stagnation. Loyalty thrives when both partners are inspired and invested, ensuring a partnership built on mutual respect, admiration, and shared growth. 2. Keeping life exciting. Stability forms the cornerstone of trust in any relationship, but excessive routine can cause it to feel stagnant. Older men, through experience, understand the critical balance between providing security and keeping the spark alive. They use spontaneity as a tool to invigorate relationships, planning surprise getaways, exploring new hobbies, or delighting their partner with unexpected acts of kindness. These actions infuse excitement and deepen emotional connections. Equally vital is maintaining individuality experience. Men prioritize their passions and encourage their partners to do the same. This fosters a dynamic where both grow independently while enriching the relationship by embracing new experiences and stepping out of comfort zone together. They create a partnership rooted in discovery and shared excitement. This balance of stability and novelty is their secret to nurturing, fulfilling, long-lasting connection. 3. The power of a non-reactive personality. Older men often leverage their emotional regulation skills to their advantage, a trait honed through years of experience and often guided by principles of Stoicism. They are adept at maintaining a calm and composed demeanor, even in emotionally charged situations, which exudes confidence and reliability. This non-reactive personality is highly attractive, as women are naturally drawn to men who can stay steady during challenging moments, offering emotional stability. By practicing mindfulness, older men can avoid impulsive reactions, ensuring they remain grounded. This emotional steadiness not only fosters trust, but also reduces unnecessary drama in relationships. It creates a safe space where both partners can thrive, free from the chaos of reactive emotions, thus cultivating a supportive, balanced partnership. These traits contribute to a healthier, more fulfilling connection between partners for dressing with purpose. Older men understand the power of dressing well, using their attire as a tool to exude confidence, status, and self-respect. They know that first impressions are lasting, and their clothing choices speak volumes before even say a word. By investing in well-fitted, versatile pieces that can easily transition from one setting to another, older men ensure they are always prepared for any occasion. Good grooming is another key component, as they understand that maintaining a polished look enhances their presence. Moreover, dressing with purpose not only boosts their own self-esteem, but also communicates that they value themselves and the interactions they have with others. This mindful approach to appearance helps older men stand out, leaving a positive and lasting impression on everyone. They meet 5, embracing your flaws. True confidence comes from embracing your imperfections, older men. Understand that flaws are not weaknesses but unique traits that make them relatable and authentic through life experience. They've learned to accept their vulnerabilities, realizing that flaws make them more human and approachable. Self-awareness and self-acceptance are vital in building real confidence as they reflect a person's security in their identity and openness to genuine connections. This self-assurance fosters a sense of ease, allowing them to form stronger, more meaningful relationships. They focus on their strengths while accepting their weaknesses, understanding the true. Emotional intimacy thrives in an environment of openness by embracing this balance. Older men often create deeper emotional bonds, showing that confidence comes from knowing and accepting oneself fully, imperfections, and all 6 understanding and valuing emotions. Understanding and valuing emotions is essential for building healthy relationships and recognizing the differences in how men and women process. Emotions can greatly enhance connection. Research indicates that women often seek validation and understanding of the feelings, appreciating when their emotions are acknowledged without being quickly solved. Older men, through years of experience, have learned that offering empathy and emotional support often carries more weight than immediately trying to fix a problem. They understand that listening actively, staying calm during conflicts, and providing a safe space for their partners to express themselves are crucial aspects of emotional intelligence. Additionally, they balance their empathy with emotional boundaries, ensuring they remain supportive while not being overwhelmed by their partner's emotions. These practices, drawn from experience, serve as powerful tools in fostering stronger, more compassionate relationships. 7. Relationships are rarely 5050 in relationships. Older men often use their life experience and emotional intelligence to their advantage. They tend to approach challenges with a calm, composed demeanor, knowing that stability is key in fostering trust and security. These men understand the importance of maintaining their individuality, focusing on personal growth, and pursuing their passes, which makes them more attractive to women. Emotional strength is something they've mastered over time, allowing them to manage their emotions effectively and provide a stable presence. Their ability to listen attentively, offer thoughtful advice, and provide both physical and emotional protection adds an extra layer of support to the relationship. This balanced approach, where both partners support each other's aspirations, helps build a resilient and fulfilling partnership. 8. Keeping romance alive. Sustaining romance in a long-term relationship requires thoughtful gestures, open communication, and shared efforts. Older men often use these secrets to their advantage, understanding the importance of emotional depth and consistency. Small acts of affection, like surprise date nights or heartfelt notes, can reinforce the bond, with older men excelling in making these gestures feel meaningful and sincere. Equally important is encouraging mutual participation in maintaining romance, ensuring both partners feel valued and invested. They often communicate openly about desires and expectations, cultivating emotional intimacy, incorporating spontaneity, trying new activities, or revisiting cherished memories. Prevent stagnation. Prioritizing quality time together, free from distractions, nurtures connection. Celebrating milestones and attentiveness to each other's needs strengthens the emotional bond. A balanced effort in romance helps keep relationships vibrant, fulfilling, and enduring. 9. Confidence is key. Confidence is key to forming meaningful connections, and it holds particular significance in the context of attraction and relationships. Older men often excel in this area, leveraging their life experience and emotional maturity to their advantage. They understand that confidence is not about arrogance, but about self-assurance and authenticity. They have learned to embrace their flaws, acknowledging imperfections while focusing on their strengths and passion. This ability to live by their own values combined with resilience in the face of challenges creates a sense of stability and security that is highly attractive. To women, older men also tend to communicate effectively, offering genuine support and care, which fosters trust and admiration. Their confidence stems from personal growth, self-reflection, and their ability to navigate life with a calm, steady presence, making them compelling. Partners, in conclusion, men often utilize key psychological insights about women to build stronger relationships and achieve personal success. Understanding women's emotional needs, such as the desire for validation, trust and connection, enables men to communicate more effectively. Being empathetic and showing genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings fosters deeper bonds. Men who are confident, respectful, and emotionally intelligent can navigate complex dynamics using these insights to their advantage in both personal and professional aspects of life. So take these tips, use them wisely, and watch your interactions improve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time for more tips and strategies.